Stop by and take a look at the 2013 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, heated passenger seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.